At any one time, there are nearly 3,000 children and young people in the care of the state of South Australia. Many can no longer live with their birth families because of neglect or abuse. Some are under custodial sentences or on remand in youth training facilities. Trauma and disrupted lives make children and young people in care some of the most disadvantaged in our community. Working for these children and young people is the reason the Office of the Guardian exists. We visit young people where they live. We see how they are living and ask them to tell us what is going well for them and what is not. We listen to the concerns of young people and, where needed, investigate and advocate for them. Our advocates check how the needs of young people are being provided for by sitting in on some case meetings and reviews. We examine the systems that look after and support young people in care. We conduct inquiries and produce reports. The knowledge we gain enables us to advocate with government and non-government agencies for innovation and improvement in the care system. Our office is the home for OOG, the safety symbol for children and young people in care. OOG heads the list of more than 20 publications and products that carry messages about being in care drawn from the Charter of Rights and from the wisdom of young people. The Charter of Rights for Children and Young People in Care guides everything we do. We promote the 37 rights in the Charter with posters, booklets and other materials. These help young people advocate for their own rights and support the adults who advocate with them and for them.
It is a privilege to be in a position to advocate for the rights and interests of children and young people in care. For nearly 20 years, I've worked with and for children and young people, and it's something that I thoroughly enjoy. To know what is happening for children growing up in care, we need to hear from them. Hearing their experiences and their view in their words is what makes our work so valuable. Throughout their time in care, children will have many adults come in and out of their lives, making decisions for them at different times. Children and young people in care need to know that their voice has been heard, that their views have been considered in decision making and planning, and that when their wishes can't be met, explanations should be provided. Promoting the participation of children and young people in decisions made about their lives is something that all adults can do. Agencies can be attuned to the needs of children and young people by listening to their voices in the disagreements that occur between adults. And they don't want to feel the tension that exists when adults disagree. To make the best decisions, it is ideal to listen to the different perspectives about what should be done and what people believe needs to be done. This is how robust decision making occurs. On behalf of all children, we encourage adults who are making decisions and considering future plans for children to work cooperatively, to listen to other perspectives, to genuinely engage in negotiation where there are differences of opinions, and ultimately keep the children's interests at the forefront of thinking. Children in care want the same as other children. They want to feel loved, they want to feel nurtured, a sense of belonging and a connection. They have visions and dreams for their futures, and so should we.